This is the Old Guy Network.
Hey, welcome back to the Old Guy Network. I'm the Old Guy, the OG, Jay, and you know who you are. And, well, hey, I checked my email today, and guess what I got? I got the second part of the unboxing of the LG dishwasher. And in the video, Kevin actually tells us why we need Wi-Fi for our dishwasher. I didn't have any idea. But here's part two. So let's magically go through the interwebs, and we'll see what Kevin has to say. Hey, Kevin.
Hey, Jay, we're back, and yes, finally, the install is complete on the LG dishwasher. We're running our first cycle. We had a lot of dishes to pile in there, so I had to go out and figure out how to get it screwed in correctly. It took a little bit. We've got granite countertops. There's a special mounting bracket that you can use. The last dishwasher was mounted a little bit differently, so we ended up using screws through the side. There's pop-outs on the side of the inside the dishwasher. You pop those little things out, drive a couple of screws in. That just prevents it from rocking forward when you have a full load, especially in the bottom rack. That will tip the washer forward, so it's good to have that mounted. I don't have the insulation in, so it's probably a little bit noisier than it would. I just want to make sure that we get through this first cycle without any leaks. I'm setting up the app on the iPad that I'm recording on. That's going to allow me to do some maintenance cycles and some diagnostics. The last washer we had, there was a diagnostic code that you would run if you were having a particular problem, and you'd read the sequence of light flashes. This actually goes right to the app. You can also download different wash cycles. So say if you're in a chili eating contest, you got a lot of chili pots that really need a big scrubbing, you can do that. Or if you've got delicate dishes, people out there are developing their own wash cycles that you can download. So it's a brave new world here in the land of dishwashers. I'm just happy it's up and running, and hope you enjoyed the unboxing. And so far so good. Looks like a great dishwasher. Take care. Thanks.
And there you have it. That's our unboxing, parts 1 and 2. Thank you so much, Mr. Kevin Belrose, my lovely and talented assistant. You did a great job, Kevin, and beautiful dishwasher. It's really, really nice. And that's why you need Wi-Fi for your dishwasher, so you can download programs to wash your dishes better. Your dishers? Your dishes better. Who'd have thunk it? But, you know, technology, right? And more technology. You've probably noticed that the lighting looks a little different in here now. Actually, I think this looks a little better than it did at the beginning of this video. I'm adjusting the lights. As you can see, I've changed things around a little bit in my tiny little studio, and I think I kind of like this better. Now I have a whole bank of monitors and a TV, and it's going to take me some getting used to, but I think this is going to be better. So once again, thank you, Mr. Kevin Belrose, for sharing the unboxing of your dishwasher. I hope you have years and years and years of dishwashing joy with that. So there you go. That's going to do it for this. What is this, Friday? It's Friday already. Yay! It's going to do it for this Friday's edition of the Old Guy Network. And we will be back tomorrow, or actually I will be. Kevin will be somewhere else. But I'll be here, and you know me. I'm the old guy. I'm the OG. And I'm out.